I'm beginning the tear-off of this old shed roof. It was in pretty bad shape. Asphalt shingles had blown off years ago, and plywood was getting bad, and some of the wood underneath was getting bad. Just going to tear it off, basically start fresh. Couldn't get to some of the nails, so I just pull up on the plywood and take them off that way. Some people might say that it might be easier just to tear this thing down and start with a whole new shed, but it's a pretty solid old shed. It used to be a grandstand building that was up on stilts over a ball field or something, and it's pretty solid. One of the problems I did see, though, is the roof supports were on 24-inch centers, give or take, and I need 16 inches on center for my metal. And so that was wrong to begin with, but there's a little rod under there, so they need to come off anyway. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We got lots of videos out and lots more coming out. I went down and get a bigger bar. Sometimes that's what it takes, is a bigger tool to get the job done a little easier. Always a good idea to tie off when you're up on a roof like this. I have the harness and everything to tie myself off, and I don't follow my own rules sometimes. Some of this wood is in really bad shape, so it'll be a good thing to put a whole new roof on this. Plus, I'll be making a few overhangs where, this shed really didn't have too much of that, at least on the sides. But the metal that I'm putting on this for roofing is going to make nice overhangs all the way around it, and it'll help keep the moisture out.